to hold my hand.
Welcome back to my channel. This is MidWest Momma. It is Wednesday. Guys, I'm just doing something different here. Shopping before I usually do. I went to Meijer. I had some time and I had some money, so I decided to get some of it done. I spent $189 and some change. It is currently lightly snowing. It was kind of bad when I was coming out, so I kind of had to run for it and kind of tossed everything into the trunk. But let me turn around and show you what I got. All right, we were almost out of toilet paper, so I just decided to get this big package and spend way too much money on it. Got a loaf of Italian bread. I got a big thing of Downy. It was on sale for 10, and I usually pay 10 for the small one, I believe, or maybe even 13. This was a good deal, so I got that instead. I got 2 of the zero sugar hazelnut creamers. They were 2 for $6, and then a 1% milk back there. Got a family pack of chicken, which I believe it was this, and then $1.75, I want to say, off of it. Or maybe I didn't spend enough to get the price or like the money off, but whatever. I got a small bunch of hydrangeas. I have a hard time pronouncing that. A thing of paper plates. I got some meatballs. I want to do Swedish meatballs in the crock pot. I got 2 packages of raw shrimp and then pierogies back there. I got 3 bags of popcorners. They were buy 2, get 1 free. 2 packages of fresh broccoli. 3 stacks of sour cream and onion. I got 2 Bertolli Garfredo. I can't speak, guys. 2 Bertolli garlic Alfredo jars. I got 2 cheddar broccoli rice-a-ronis and a beef rice-a-roni. We had no vegetables besides the broccoli, so I got some canned corn and canned green beans. 4 boxes of pasta, 2 rotini, and 2 mini pennes. And then 2 Meijer K-Cups, 2 different kinds. I got the breakfast blend and the Colombian. And then I got some Skippy peanut butter. I saw this. I'm trying to figure out like what the plan is, if anyone knows. It just says 4-inch polka dot. And is it an azalea? Like, I have no clue. I could just use my app to figure it out. And I might do that. And when I do find out, I'm just going to like add it to this post. So I love plants, and I seen this one and it's pink. And so I had to get it. I got 4 sweet potatoes and a bunch of green bananas. So, because I have like a few left. Don't pay attention to all the dishes. I'm so behind on everything. Look at all these dishes. Yay. Anywho, so tomorrow I will still be going to Target as planned. I was excited to shop at Meijer because they finally got new shopping carts. They were horrible. So they're black and they're sleek, and one of like the first people to use it. So super excited. Well, actually, I don't know. I mean, who knows how long they've had them? I really don't know. But I heard they were being bought for March. So maybe I am. Anyways, stay tuned for the rest of my hauls. Hope you guys are doing well. I am back from my Target haul. I spent $265 and some change. Let me turn you around and show you what I got. Say hi, Murphy. Oh, say hi. Okay, so I did find these in the dollar spot. They are like towel clips, and I thought that was really cool for when we go to the pool, which is hardly ever, but it would be nice to like for when my daughter goes, because I usually don't swim, but it'd be nice for her to like clip onto her chair if it's like windy that day, or just to dry on like the fence. Those were $3 each, so I got 4. They did have these really cool glass like traveler tumblers, and I really liked it. So I just noticed that. Okay, that better not work. I'm going to be pissed off about that one. Hopefully this is okay. But yeah, it was $5. I liked that it was pink. I got 2 new toothbrushes for me and Kayla. Some panty liners. They did not have the California's Nature shampoo and conditioner. So I don't know where, like it said it was in stock, but so I have like an issue with like the oil of my, I don't know, scalp, hair, whatever. So I decided to go with raw sugar. I don't think I've used this brand before. It's rosemary mint. So I doubt anyone else will use it because I know they don't like the way mint feels on their scalp. But like, I don't know. I think it feels kind of cool. So I got the shampoo and conditioner. Summer's Eve. And then my son needed his body wash. Got a thing of Viva paper towels, spray butter, spaghetti pasta for spaghetti tonight. I got a package of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. It was on sale for $12.07, so I'm just going to freeze this for another day. 3 bags of frozen cauliflower, Hershey Kisses for Easter. My son took a break for a long time on his Snyder's Butter Snap pretzels, so I decided, I know it has like a different bag look, whatever you want to call it. So I decided to like see if he'll like it again. I did get Caitlin 2 of the Kettle Cook sea salt chips. We need a toilet bowl cleaner for the upstairs bathroom and lemon disinfectant wipes for the kitchen. And I got a Pringles sour cream onion back there. I got some necklaces for myself. I have like nothing in gold, and I really, really liked this one. I was going to get the Kendra Scott, but like, it's like $45. It's not real. So I was like, eh. Granted, I did spend probably close to that with these 2, but I got 2 necklaces. So I'm okay with that. So yeah, this was $25. Wait, these toothbrushes are for me and Kayla. This here is for my son because they vibrate. Yeah, those are for my son. Okay. And then I got this necklace with my initial. I thought it was cute. Need a deodorant. I know I usually get them at Sam's Club, but we have none. And so I just got one right now. But I do need to get a whole big pack of it at Sam's Club. Probably next payday. I don't need it right now. My husband was requesting some deodorants, some panty liners. We got tissues, more napkins, a couple granola bars. This one is Caitlin's, and then my husband wanted the Junkless, the chocolate chip, and the peanut butter. This is what I've been wanting, and so I got it. They had it at Target for $14. It is a Morphe Dream Light highlighter stick. I like playing with makeup. And then I got 3 pimple patches because, you know, got some K-Pods. They were on sale, so I decided to get some more just because, like, Connor is a sole drinker of these. Sometimes I will, but I tend to not drink much K-Pods with the Keurig, you know. And then I got a small bag or a small box of the Honey Nut Cheerios because Caitlin still had some. Oh, and I got this for the grandbaby. Look how cute this is. And then look, this one's like little dinosaur. It's so cute, and I love the green. So yeah, it was 2 outfits for $16. I didn't think that was bad at all. Definitely for like playwear or even for going out. So yeah, I'm gonna add that to his Easter basket. So that's that haul. I already went to Meijer, and all I need to do is go to Sam's Club, guys, and I don't think that's gonna be that much. I want to come up with a meal plan. I know like today is Thursday, so we are gonna have spaghetti meatballs. Friday we're going out because that's usually what we do. Saturday, I'm sure my husband's going to cook something, and probably Sunday, but we will be out of town Sunday. But hopefully we're back in time for dinner. So stay tuned for my Sam's Club haul. So I completely forgot to show you what I got from my Sam's Club haul. I got red grapes and green grapes. 2 of these half and half creamers. The butter chicken was so yummy that we got 2 so that we have enough for my whole family. I don't think I got anything else in here. And then what else did I... Oh, I got my husband's... Whoopsies. I got my husband's omeprazole. I only spent like $68. So the butter chicken alone was $30. I think... And then this was 10. What else did I get? Let me think, guys. I also bought organic green beans. So I did just run into Target again. Right there. I spent I think it was around $68 too. Let me clean off some counters because I'm trying to like bring out like my spring plates and stuff. And then I'm going to show you this small haul super quick. Okay. My husband needed some lunch meat, so I got the big pack for him of the all-natural oven-roasted turkey, and then I got some smoked honey turkey breast for myself, 2 little Reese's eggs. The Tostitos, like the dip, if you bought this and then like the Doritos, it was 2 for $10. Otherwise, it would be like way more. So I just did that. And then I got some Tostitos to go with the dip. I got 2 boxes of small ones of the chocolatey, you know, chip muffins, little bites. I forgot the big ones at Sam's, but also she's eating different breakfast stuff now. So I feel like this will be okay. And then we are having bacon cheeseburgers tonight. So I needed some fries. So I got the straight cut. And then I seen they had extra crispy seasoned crinkles. And I kind of wanted that, but felt like there wasn't enough. So then I got this in case I needed more. So, and then I got her this Champion skirt. It was on clearance for like $7. It didn't have the tag on it, so I grabbed like the other one and just kind of left that one there. But yeah, she likes it. And then I just got a plain black tee because she can wear these to her uniform school and it's okay. And I think it was like $8. Yeah, it was like $8, I think, on sale. So that all concludes my hauls. I will put the total right about now. Sorry, usually I have my face on the screen when I say that. I will put my total right about now. I hope you guys enjoyed this grocery haul for 2 weeks. And I will see you guys, I think the next time we get paid is like the 27th, I want to say. I've got makeup all over my face. I think it's around the 27th. So I will see you guys around then. I'm hoping I will get more videos out. I still have not had the time. So be patient with me, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.